Dyson's back with a brand new robot vacuum, and they're seriously leveling up home cleaning. Meet the Dyson Spot+Scrub AI Wet and Dry Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum doesn't just clean once. Oh no, it goes over stains again and again and again. Up to 15 times until that mess regrets being born. If you like your clean to actually feel clean, the self-cleaning roller washes itself as it goes, so you're cleaning your floors with fresh water the whole time, not mystery mop juice. The suction? Classic Dyson Overachiever energy. It pulls up microscopic dust, debris, long hair, pet hair, all without tangling. So you can rest easy knowing your home has been hygienically cleaned without you having to lift a finger. Got plush carpets or thicker fibers? The Spot+Scrub senses it and automatically boosts suction by 35% for a deeper clean. So it knows when to try harder, a skill many of us wish we had. Its AI and optic illumination team up to identify stains and spills, deciding the best way to attack each mess. Nothing escapes it. Not even the messes you pretended could wait until tomorrow. And if you're a tech lover, this part's for you. It uses high-speed LiDAR to scan your room 7 times per second. That's definitely faster than most humans notice dust, or anything really. When it's finished doing its thing, it strolls right back to the cyclonic dock where it empties itself, cleans itself, refills and recharges automatically. Even your vacuum has a self-care routine now. So if you're officially ready to retire from vacuuming forever, check out the Dyson Spot+Scrub AI Wet and Dry Robot Vacuum, available now at JB Hi-Fi.